play. I'm gonna play well every map then.
That's fine.
Select your hero.
Oh.
Psych.
Like,
Okay, it's alright.
You there?
Halo over there.
Oh,
Wanna
actually,
dive?
do you want to do a ground push? You want me to go Sario?
Ooh.
Yeah. Let's do that.
Do you want me to go Lucio?
Science
You
will
don't
reveal
have
the
to.
truth.
Rig
wanna
is
do-
actually
Should we? Oh.
because we're not running goats anyways.
You wanna do double snipe?
Reinhard, what should I focus on today?
What?
You could run Widow if you want. I think you went Hanzo to combo with my grab.
Alright, fine.
Give it your all.
Yeah, but yeah, you could go snipers.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Do you wanna,
I'm ready to
Hey.
kill.
Andrew?
Yo.
Do you wanna run Mercy and I'll go run?
Sure.
You don't really need a mercy. Whatever.
I think she works better with double sniper.
5, 4,
Yeah, you get damage boost the Widow or the Hanzo.
Yeah.
No, damage boost dragon.
Capture.
You
Yeah,
can't do
let's
that
go
anymore.
left. Let's go
Well,
left.
you can
Let's
do
go
that.
left.
Hurry up about it.
Nah, they got rid of that shit. It's too OP.
Yeah.
You have my
Yeah.
prey.
They're on top, yep.
And something needs left now. They have some rats. Watch out.
Up the right go down. Jesus. Get the right. Oh Jesus. Get the
Reset.
Double.
Oh, was that fast?
I don't know if this is the best lineup for this.
That changes my thinking.
You know what?
Wanna
wanna
charge. Fucked
Run.
it up.
Yeah. Charge the point. Charge the point. We need
I'll
a
change.
need a Lucio, I think.
That one was almost dead. Alright.
Ready?
Alright, let's go.
Just going on point.
Yep. Let's go. Watch out. I got the rise.
Got this in. Alright, they got no healers. Just a stake. To be risky.
McCree is still stuck. Watch out. McCree still stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get
Ricky's
the
still up
point.
there.
From the point. From the point.
It's fine.
Pick him. He's coming down.
I'm on fire. You'll be wise to stay out of my sight.
You guys good?
Yep.
Nice. Good cap.
A captured. Escort the payload.
Alright, down.
Oh, we have the better middle, yes.
I know, the pig's too hot.
Tracer's one.
Certainty.
Tracer's one.
Where's she?
Olo in the back. She's safe.
Alright. That's good. I'm going upstairs.
Alright.
Wait, hello. When it's in.
Where's the center?
I'm gonna go around.
Sorry.
I'm ulting. Tracer.
Where's McCree? Okay.
Top left. On the pylon.
He's upstairs?
Nice
Yeah,
pick.
he's on the pylon.
That changes my
I see him,
thinking.
He don't have grenade.
He jumped down.
Yeah, what's
Let me
up?
see. What the fuck?
Watch out, Brain.
Oh.
Brain on point.
I'm dead.
Yeah, Ryan's
With you. With you.
Oh yeah, we're dead. Just-
Yeah.
We need to protect the hitters because McCree's always one.
Okay, I'll try to
Yeah.
get.
We must all
Yeah,
make
super
sacrifices in the name of science.
Everyone back?
Yep. Let's go top left. Let's go left.
So
All the way left.
Sarya's gonna grab, so watch out too.
I'm restoring.
Get him, get him, get him.
He's dead.
Stay
Razor,
together.
box Razor.
Stay together.
Stay together, stay together.
Someone else?
Surrender to my will.
Point on one.
We're in a bubble.
Just wasting that. Oh, that's right.
More red dead. Tracer's alive though.
Tracer's on the left. Jump down.
McCree's in back.
Run to me, Jones. Run to us.
Yeah,
Oh, they got a bash.
Back up, back up.
Sorry, we got the it's like a desperate pick.
Yeah.
Bastion low.
Where we at him?
Bastion low.
I'm on thing.
I got him.
I got the mouse.
Very low. Nice.
Fire.
That's it.
Got the McCree.
Nice.
Nice. They're still on the bastion.
They have a Rosa and double barrier now.
These guys are ridiculous. Try to guys.
Back up, back up, back up. Run, run.
McCree again.
Yeah, back up. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Reaper stop. Reaper top. Reaper.
Reset,
Shit.
reset.
Reaper's fucking one.
Oh my.
You should have. It's okay. It's okay. They used like 3 ults there.
When faced with a
switching.
setback, we must challenge our assumptions.
Oh, nice. We capture it now.
Injured again.
Where's the bastion? McCree's on the
My will made real.
You guys ready?
I got him. I got him. I got him.
Nice.
Alright, kill Renzo.
Any heals? Any heals? Any heals?
McCree in back.
Where's the Bastion?
Push up, push up.
Push out. Where's the Bastion?
Oh my god.
He's ulting.
Aim a hold.
And a one.
Good.
Nice.
You just come right back.
Reaper on the left.
He's one out. Watch out.
Not dead yet.
He doesn't have. Oh, Orisa low.
He's a one.
Just.
He's
Where
low.
is that?
Any heals?
Surrender to my will.
Nice. I got it.
Stupid C9 right there.
Score 3-0. Switching sides.
Alright, that was a good
Prepare your
push.
defenses. Select your hero.
Oh, they can't run bash on offense, can they?
Maybe on the payload.
Yeah, but they can't run it to take the payload. That's hard.
What do you want to run? Where were you last time again?
I just went Lucio. I'll do Mercy.
Okay. Do you want me to go Diva?
Whatever works for you, man.
Aye.
Deep's good
You
for
can
the
widow.
bastion.
You can
They
widow
have-
for this map if you want.
Science will reveal the
Go
truth.
Johnson, go
I
widow.
feel,
Johnson,
I feel
go widow.
better. I feel
No,
better.
it's alright. I would play soldier.
Okay.
Your soldier's OP, yo. It's like 65% win rate.
Oh shit. This is when it comes down.
When he's playing Widow, he's actually thrown.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
They might do the same thing and just ignore us on the high ground.
That's fair.
If that
We're very mobile.
Yeah, if that happens, just dive their back. They're probably gonna leave their back line exposed.
Tell me well when they are.
1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
I have a widow. You got a widow.
They got a
Yeah, but
Genji.
handshake. Yeah, the running dive.
From afar.
Monkey's coming in. Monkey's low.
Oh my god.
Monkey's very low.
He's low.
They have
He's down. Lucio low. Lucio low. I'm getting him.
Hanzo.
So down.
Genji. Teammate. I got it first.
Sana.
Who the hell is
I'm on
You have
fire.
a Hanzo.
All evidence supports this claim.
It's good. Guard
Monkey's
back
coming.
here.
Monkey's coming. Monkey. Monkey's around the corner. Around the back.
Sana.
This monkey.
Watch out,
This will
Teresa.
heal
Watch out.
you. This will improve
here.
your condition.
Okay, upstairs. I almost have my mech back. Got it.
Surrender to my will.
Lucio, okay, Lucio. Lucio one. This is one.
I took one with me. Oh my god.
What? No.
Res me at the wrong time.
We need to get this
Must
Sana
all
first.
make sacrifices.
I'm on point. You guys can get him
Stop.
back.
We're coming.
Okay, we lost it.
Yeah, I think they got it.
We
Yeah.
must all make
We
sacrifices.
have a
Let's
Reaper
stop.
for that poison.
Yeah, you switch.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
Do you want me to go
Or
brig?
actually, McCree's not too bad.
Let me go. Let me go
Okay.
brig.
He's on a switch. He's on a switch.
And he died.
I'm under attack. Your flame of hold.
Okay.
We gotta jump and fight them.
Wait. I shot the Genji. It's just.
You got Anna?
I'm
Nice.
restoring you.
Lucio low.
Lucio low, on point. Lucio.
Come to me, come to me. Where are you?
I need you, please.
Where are you?
Monkey one.
You guys
He's
are
done.
so fast. Alright.
It's fine. You just gotta wait till they come to you.
Yeah, I'll just get back on the high ground.
There they are.
Shit, upstairs.
Grab one.
Anna and Winston.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, how long is this sleep time?
Anna dead.
Debacker.
Yep.
Nice. Alright, speak your ass.
Surrender to my will.
Oh damn. Nice.
Okay.
Genji on point.
Push up,
C9,
push up,
C9,
push
C9,
up.
C9. Mother.
Oh my god. That's gonna fucking. Damn. That was. Lost track of it, man.
Yeah. Oh. Get the tree,
It's in the bubble.
Genji behind us.
We gotta back.
Yeah, they are.
I don't know.
Frying. Where is she?
You need to tell us more detail.
Yeah, you can't just go like kill man.
Get the Lucio?
Is she?
Oh my god.
That's okay. That's okay.
Just move back. They're spawning too
Back
close.
off, back off.
Yeah,
Can't
back
fight
up, back
there.
up. We gotta contest at the corner.
Push. Wait for team. Actually, Li-Mei.
Enemies over there.
Get these low.
Ana one behind.
I got the Lucio.
Nice. Anything, please?
Diva. I can't.
What did she run to?
Alright.
I will unmake you.
I think she ran.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Require assistance.
Watch the. Let us know if they're trying to flank Tracer.
They have
We got a
Reaper now.
Reaper
They have
now.
Reaper.
Genji's going around. I will
Sorry, I was too late.
Lucio on point. That's Lucio. There's Lucio. He's low.
Okay,
I'm fucking low.
Get shit.
And we can do this. We can do this.
Yeah, I got an ult for the next fight.
We need the Pharah. I can play Pharah if someone go
When
mercy.
faced with a setback, we
Oh,
must
wait, what?
challenge
Try to
our
pick this Reaper. He's on the right.
Diva's behind. Diva's behind.
60 seconds.
And Reaper's gonna ult.
Reaper's low.
Ana low.
Nerf this.
Winston left.
I got the Winston.
No, Winston left.
I'm slapped.
Ana low.
we go.
Ana
And
one.
it's
Ana one.
left, and it's
Ana fucking one.
Get into position.
Nice.
Got this. We got this.
Yeah.
Try
Just push
to
up, push
get
up,
this deep.
push up. I'll stand for it.
Reaper me.
Top right.
Reaper coming.
Lucio. Go get Lucio. Go.
Just to get you.
Surrender to my will.
Nice, big game.
Nice.
Nice job, guys.
You were too stubborn with the Genji. I don't think he was doing much.
Play
Nah,
of
he
the
couldn't.
I didn't
Except
get any blade kills at all.
I think he did. Fuck, he got an ad. Yeah, he got an ad.
That's how y'all died.
Yeah, I got rizzed by Andrew into the bomb.
Yo, he ulted me as soon as I missed.
That kill was actually pretty good.
Communicated, which is nice.
Yeah, it's nice when they're not morons.